Hi. So today we're going to be unboxing something out of the truck that I went and picked up that I ordered that we've been waiting a long time. We got all the parts laid out. So far it looks like everything's here, but I guess we'll find out as we go along. Next thing, I got to take the hitch off. So let's do that. B&W. There's that. Okay, so next we got to lower the spare tire. So let me get the tools for that. Whee! We got this part installed. Now, if you're wondering why I don't show the installation process, here's why. Sometimes things don't go exactly as planned, and the words that come out of my mouth are not YouTube friendly. So there's that. So you get to see the finished project and in the interim while I'm building it. So we've got the main part on, which looks amazing. Now we're gonna finish the rest. Okay, and now we've got the tire mount frame mounted. This does a nice little swing out there. And then comes back. Ta-da! Okay. Latch this. It's a little tight for my taste. Might have to look at that. So here we go. I imagine this is on the right way, but I don't really know because the directions, although pretty entailed, don't really have any illustrations. The only issue I have is this is not lining up for some reason. I'm gonna take it over to my buddy's shop, see what he can figure out with it. But all in all, I'm happy with the way it looks. I can't wait to get my jerry cans mounted on it. So there it is.